Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team. I am making the watch list video for tomorrow, May the 10th, and I am just going to be doing the day trade watch list because obviously we don't do the swing trade watch list going into the weekend, which I can't even say that I'm upset about just because if you've noticed lately there have been no setups. The market's been pretty wacky, so it's been pretty impossible to have any sort of short-term swing trades. So no swing trades today. We can see the futures broke down out of this ascending triangle. It looks like it's hammering out this base here at this 50 SMA. However, the 9 and the 20, let me remove my lines, the 9 and the 20 are potentially crossing into bearish territory. So we'll see if this 50 SMA can hold or if it breaks down below it. If it breaks down below it, then it's got room to fall to this 200 SMA. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens if it ends up hammering out the base and then going back up, or if it falls out of this support level. So let's take a look at some stocks for tomorrow. And take a look at TWNK, and that is a super indecisive candle, so I would not put that on the watch list right now. So let's take a look at CECO. Also really indecisive with more of a bearish potential to it, so I would not put that on because there is no signal on whether we can short it or not. So let's take a look at HRTX. So this is right at this resistance level on the 9, and you can see that it just like tanked after hours. See if there's something going on. It had earnings, but I don't like this tanking after hours, so I think I would leave that off right now. So let's take a look at NUAN. Also had earnings. Did close holding its highs. However, let's see, the next resistance level is at 1820, and it couldn't hold that, so I would want to see it break 1820. Let's see where it's got room to go. It's going to have 1875. Let's take a look at the hourly. So it's a bull flag on the hourly. It is overbought on the hourly, however, so just be aware of that. This is a stock that you can short, so if it does not go up, then you can short it. Bull flag on hourly. If price can break 1820, oops, watch for resistance around 1875. All right, so that is NUAN. Let's take a look at AGEN. All right, so this has the 9 and 20 crossing, broke through this resistance. It's got, okay, so 294 was a strong resistance level. It rejected off of that. It had its earnings yesterday. Let's take a look at the hourly. See what the hourly shows us. It's not overbought on the hourly. It's going to run into resistance around $3, which isn't a lot of room to go. So I would leave that. I'm going to leave that off for now. Is it? Okay, it's got earnings today. TLRA. I don't like this candle. I don't like it. PRPO. Nope, that's right in between the moving averages. Take a look at RCM. Okay, so this is going to be trading at least yearly highs. Let me take a look at the weekly. So it's trading at all-time highs right now, so I'm not going to put that one on the watch list because it has no, you don't know what it's going to do. NVCN. I don't like this, not very much volume. It has no volume, so I wouldn't put that on. PRTY, no. Hopefully we have something other than just the one. KTOS. So this has resistance at 1787. That's only a potential $6 move or 6-cent move on a more expensive stock, so I wouldn't put that on. OSTK, no. KBLB, okay. So this is a tweezer bottom. It's going to run into resistance around this 33 cents and then 34 cents. Let's take a look at the hourly. I mean, it's trading above moving averages. However, this 34 cents is going to be a pretty strong resistance. And do you want to put a stock on for a potential 4-cent move? Let's take a look at the weekly, see if I can. I don't see resistance, oops, there. So let me take a look at the monthly. Okay, so 50 cents is going to be resistance. So if it can break that 34 cents, then it's got resistance. Tweezer bottoms on daily. If price can break 34 cents, watch for resistance at 50 cents. All right, so that is KBLB. Let's take a look at FOSL. All right, so moving averages are pinching. However, it got close to $15 and fell. Let's take a look at the hourly. It's not holding these EMAs right now after hours. Not a big fan of the wicks on top and on the bottom. I don't know if I like that. If you can break $15, it's got potential to $15.60. Let me look at the hourly again. I forgot what the hourly chart looked like. Oh, man. Okay. So you can see it was sort of a bull pennant after hours pre-market. Then it went up. However, it's failing the 9 right now. But it was a tweezer bottom, and it was just a pattern that looks like it's rejecting. It's bull flag-ish. It's way down here now. 418. I'm not going to put that on right now. I don't like it. Let's take a look at UPL. No. KPAY. No. VERI. Potential V bottom on the 5-minute. Let's take a look at the hourly. So it ended the day on a tweezer bottom. However, it's going to run into resistance at this 200 SMA. Did have moving average crossover, so just be aware if it can break 730. forgot what the pattern was on the hourly. I forgot. Oh, tweezer bottom, that's right. Okay. Tweezer bottom on hourly. If price can break 730, watch for 200 SMA resistance on daily. And that is VERI. All right, let's take a look at HHR. Ooh, nope. DVAX, no. Super indecisive. FLXN, nope, hit that 50 and couldn't break it. TBLT, nope. AETI, there's like no volume to this, so I've not put that on. Could have had a good play if it had popped on like Trade Ideas or Black Box Stocks or Benzinga. You could have hit that from 79 cents up to 161, almost a dollar move, but it just pumped and then it dumped. It's a pump and dump, so I'm not putting that on. FCEL, I can already tell this can be a no. All right, so that is going to be our watch list for Friday. With the craziness of the market right now, it's been a little more difficult to trade, especially if you are of the bullish persuasion. So that means that you should come over here and you can take our courses and you can learn how to short stocks if you don't know how, or you can learn how to trade options, because options allow you to make money in any market, whether it's up, down, or trading sideways. However, you want to make sure that the setups are there. So how do you find out the setups? You take our candlesticks course, you can read our candlesticks ebook, and that way you know if there are potential good setups for even just a day trade. You can day trade options as well as swing trade them. So if you are not yet a member, you can head over here to subscribe. We offer a 14-day free trial with our monthly. We've got our yearly, which you have access to our next level training library. So it goes really in depth in all the advanced options trading strategies, day trading, swing trading, scanner settings, all the things like that. We just don't offer a refund on our yearly just because you get access to all of this awesome stuff. And believe me, that's the stuff I've taken, and it is worth every penny. You also have access to our trade rooms. So if there's nothing really popping up on any of your scanners, or our watch list just isn't doing it for you, then you can head over to the day trade room where they live stream every morning. And then we've got the swing trade room, we've got the futures room, so all good stuff, and it is there for you to take advantage of. And in regards to the trade rooms, if you are a yearly member, you can watch our streams, our morning streams, on replay. So it's like going to a 2-hour class in the stock market every day, plus you can go back and rewatch it in case there's something that you want to watch over. If there's something you missed, if you couldn't make it to the live stream that day, you can go back and rewatch it, as long as they remember to hit record. There are a day here and there that they forget to hit record, but that's very rare. So we have hours and hours of stuff for you to watch, showing live trades, technical analysis, support and resistance, candlesticks, patterns. It's like our courses in action, and it is a great tool. Plus, you've got a lot of people to talk to. So trust me, it is worth it. It is the only trading company and the only courses that I have ever taken, and I started out knowing nothing, and look at me now. I'm making watch list videos for you guys and sending out the watch list, because that is how I learned and it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow us on social media if you don't. We are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on Instagram. Follow us. If you aren't a member of our YouTube channel yet, you can subscribe and like this video. If you don't like it, then don't bother hitting the thumbs down. We don't need that negativity in my life. Just kidding. If you don't like it, go ahead and hit the thumbs down. I don't care. But I hope you guys like this video, and I will see y'all later.